Hi, I'm Mark Bodo, Certified Master Life Coach at Zen Game, and your instructor for this virtual workshop titled The 6 Greatest Gifts We Can Give and Receive to Create Successful Interpersonal Relationships. In this workshop, we're going to discuss factors that make interpersonal relationships so complicated, belief systems, the cycle of socialization. We will define our basic human emotional needs. Then we will identify the 6 greatest gifts that we can give and receive. And lastly, we will discuss how you can give and receive these gifts in your everyday life. We hope you will enjoy this workshop. And if you have any questions in regard to the content or want to learn more, please feel free to reach out to us. Now, let's get on to the first lesson on what makes interpersonal relationships so darn complicated. See you there.